Hello friends, I'm Dr. Anish Nagpal. I'm a laparoscopic GI and gastrosurgeon. I've been associated with EpicHospital from quite some time now. Today we are talking about gallbladder surgeries. So if you have any problem with gallstones or liver related issues which cause jaundice, or the gallbladder has to be removed laparoscopically, you can come to us at EpicHospital. We have a experience of more than 1000 laparoscopic gallbladder surgeries, and we work in an infrastructure where all technology is available, and we give a holistic care to the patients so that it's more of a personalized this thing. So recovery mode of the patient gets quite hastened, the recovery is smooth, the infection rate is near zero, and the pain with laparoscopic surgery is minimal. And all of our patients have recovered quite well here. We have a clientele ranging from local Ahmedabad people coming from outside state, and even international people coming from all over, from US also, UK also, for surgeries here. So in that way we can cater to you and give you the desired results. Thank you.